Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Sorry for not uploading too many videos, but yeah, I didn't have too much time. So the idea for today, because I lost the under shield thingy, engine cover, engine shield, I want to make some reinforcements out of these metal pieces that I bought today. So the idea would be attach it there, bend it like here, and attach it here, and another one somewhere around here, and link the two together with one or two pieces like so. In case I hit something with the underside of the car, the first thing that hits it's this metal piece and not my oil pan. So I guess this is going to be a fabrication and more of time-lapse parts than just a constant video. Anyway, stay tuned. So this is what I managed to do for now. I still want to cut this piece off, somehow strap that on, cut off. That's pretty much as it's going to be, and I want to rivet these pieces to the frame, and we'll paint the whole thing black, but that's going to be tomorrow, day 2. So here I have marked out some points where I'm going to drill some holes and insert rivets. I think these are too long, so I might cut some off. I mean, not cut it off with the head, but I'm going to punch this out like, how should I show you? Like so. Cut this body off as long as I need it, because this is 4 millimeters, that's 4 millimeters, so it should be 12 millimeters or kind of somewhere around there, the rivet. And I'm going to use that to rivet this assembly together. Actually, I might paint it first, after that rivet it together. So yes, first let's get to drilling the holes out. So here we have the finished piece. I left the car on the ground so you can see the clearance. Yeah, the car is actually lowered, so still there is pretty good clearance, and there you can see how it will protect the oil pan. At least I hope you can see. If you enjoyed this video, you can go ahead and leave a big thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. There is a button up on the right part of the screen, and if you want to see another one of my videos, there is one on the left there. Have a nice day, and Furry Free out.